What's going on, guys? Alan here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to jump into FORScan to read DTC's diagnostic trouble codes. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, we have all been there. We've had that dreaded check engine light come on. Service engine soon, whatever you want to call it. It looks different on many different vehicles. Your warning sign that something is about to happen or go wrong. I don't know how that got on there. But anyway, I have shown you guys how to do a lot of modifications and setting changes with FORScan to your vehicle. So in this video, we're going to jump in and read this DTC on my vehicle because I just had my check engine light come on. You gotta be kidding me. No! So without further ado, let's jump into FORScan and let's see if we can figure this thing out. Alright guys, so first you want to start by selecting the connection button. Make sure the ignition is on and the high speed switch is set to high speed. Click OK. This is my vehicle file. Click yes. Next, move the speed switch over to medium speed and then click OK. Let everything else finish loading here a second. Now that it is ready, we're going to select the button over here on the left hand side that says DTC. You can see the PCM code at the top is P2005, which is an intake manifold runner control stuck open on bank 2. So that is definitely my engine light. And then the OBD2 selection here says that that is confirmed. Down here, the body control module, looks like I have another one. Intrusion sensor module. It's obstructed or blocked. It's not. I'm looking at it, so must be one of them has malfunctioned. So I'll have to check into that. And then down here, the FCIM, it looks like I have one for that down here. Invalid data received from restraints control module. That might have been just a glitch. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to reset all the DTCs because I know the engine light's already valid. So select reset DTCs here. It will reset the modules. Are you sure? Select yes. Please set the speed switch back to high speed. Select OK. Cycle the ignition off. Let it sit for a few seconds and then cycle it back on. Select OK. Move that high speed switch back to medium speed. Click OK. And then everything else loaded. Looks like the body control module is the only one that stayed back on, but I'm sure the check engine light will come back on once I start running it. So that's the DTC. So we'll go back to the car here and then go down to the bottom, disconnect, and that will do it for this. Well, there it is, guys. Very, very simple. You know, get your code. It will even tell you what it is. I don't know if it will every single time, but in this instance it told me exactly what the problem was. And then in the next video or a future video, I will actually have that of that being serviced on my F-150. So hopefully everything helped you out here, guys, and I will see you next time. Later.